In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix McDonald's app not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also, you can give a first restart to your router. Next up, first close the app and relaunch it. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is check for app update. Head over to App Store. Now search for the app McDonald's. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, also update your device software. For that, launch settings, go to general, go to software update. If any new updates are available, just update it. Lastly, you can completely delete McDonald's app from your device and reinstall it. And also check whether McDonald's services are temporarily unavailable. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in McDonald's service status and search for it. Then navigate to the website like Down Detector. Now, if you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your McDonald's app should work in your device. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.